TolaData's approval feature ensures data quality and full control of data entries. If the approval feature has been activated for an indicator, each of its collected data items will only update the indicator's actual value when the respective collected data item has been approved by the appropriate user, whether that be a project manager or M&E officer. In other words, if not approved, a collected data item will not affect the indicator's actual value. This is how it works. Once a collected data item has been submitted for approval, the designated team member will have the option to approve, request changes, or deny it. In this example, this collected data item needs to be approved by an org admin. Different levels of approval can be added to indicators. On top of the Approval Log tab, we can see which level of the approval process we are at and which user can take the next approval decision. The collected data item must make it through all approval levels before it will contribute to the overall result. The Approval Log tab shows all decisions taken so far. With the collected data item being accepted for approval, the data will be accepted to the overall actual results. The calculation will update automatically, also updating any associated aggregated indicators, exports, and dashboards. This feature supports learning as comments can be added to each collected data item when submitting and approving, supporting collaborative work within teams. The coloured icons signify the approval status of the collected data item. Users can also request changes to a collected data item before approving it. In this instance, the approval process will restart and enter another approval round. The person who created the collected data item now has the opportunity to edit it. After making changes to the collected data item, the user can resubmit the item for approval. It enters the next round of reviews, and the designated team members can again take their decisions. Approvals can also be denied, which means the approval process stops and the collected data item does not contribute to the actual value of the indicator. The approval feature is highly customizable. You can add as many approval levels as needed and as many approvers. You can select the number of approvals needed at each level. And you can select team members with a certain permission level or select by individual team members. The approval's default configurations can be added to the whole organization or project-wide. There's also the option to deviate from these settings for individual indicators. With another layer of control added, this feature ensures an interactive and collaborative reporting process. These user-friendly customization settings allow your organization total control over your data for quality reporting.